Hey guys, how you doing? I'm over here at the elevator here in this complex. We are gonna be replacing this floor right here, so you guys know. Going out the elevator, we are doing the lobby too, which is right here. Going out of the elevator right here, this is the second floor. We are replacing this right here. This is a complex here in San Diego. Not only that, this little room right here, we are gonna be replacing the floor too. All right. Anyways, if you guys need help with some of your projects, you wanna connect with us, either for making sure that you have a resource for you guys. If you guys need any manpower too, you can always shoot us an email. Call the office, man. Let's make this happen. Or if you guys need some of our services with our manpower, we can always bring you quality, precision, and be reliable. We're properly insured, licensed for all these projects. All right. Thank you guys. Bye now.